Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
To begin monitoring, the first critical step is to set up Apple's family sharing feature. On your own iPhone or iPad, navigate to the Settings app, then tap your name at the very top. From there, select Family Sharing and proceed to add your child's Apple ID to your family group. This foundational setup allows you to remotely manage their device settings, track screen time, and even approve app purchases directly from your own device. This ensures a connected and controlled digital environment for their iPad. Once family sharing is active, navigate to screen time settings on your device to manage your child's iPad. Here, you can define specific app limits for categories like games or social media, perhaps allowing just 30 minutes daily for specific apps. Downtime is a powerful feature. It lets you schedule periods when the iPad can only access apps you explicitly allow, like educational tools. Remember to set a screen time passcode to prevent your child from changing these important settings themselves. Delving deeper into screen time, you'll find content and privacy restrictions. This section is vital for controlling the types of content your child can access. You can block explicit language, limit movie and TV show ratings, and even restrict web browsing to approved websites or automatically limit adult content. It also allows you to prevent in-app purchases or account changes, offering a robust shield against accidental or unauthorized alterations to the device's critical settings. For capabilities extending beyond Apple's native offerings, consider third-party monitoring applications. These tools, such as Bark or Qustodio, provide more comprehensive features like real-time location tracking, detailed social media monitoring across various platforms, and even alerts for concerning content. While they often come with a subscription fee, typically ranging from $5 to $15 per month, they offer an added layer of digital safety and insights that Apple's built-in options might not cover, especially for older children. Finally, remember that technology is just one part of the solution. Open communication with your child about digital safety and the reasons for monitoring is paramount. Regularly review the screen time reports together, discussing what they're using and why. As your child grows, their needs and digital landscape will change, so be prepared to adjust your settings and monitoring approach. Fostering trust and open dialogue creates a safer online experience than strict restrictions alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.